നമസ്കാരം അഗാരിക്കസ് മലയാളത്തിന്റെ പുതിയ എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. The fixation of carbon dioxide into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate occurs by a pathway called answer options: Embeden-Meyerhof-Parnas pathway, hexose monophosphate pathway, Calvin cycle, none of the above. Correct answer is Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle 4 step ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. First step carbon fixation, reduction phase, carbohydrate formation, regeneration phase. Second question, the mobile complex between helicase and primase is known as answer option: primosome, lysosome, spliceosome, phagosome. Correct answer is primosome. Primosome ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത് 7 പ്രോട്ടീൻസിനെ കൊണ്ടാണ്. Third question, which one of the following has DNA as its genome? Answer option: HIV, tobacco mosaic virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, cucumber mosaic virus. Correct answer is cauliflower mosaic virus. Cauliflower mosaic virusനെ കോളിമോ വൈറസ് എന്ന് കൂടി അറിയപ്പെടും. ഇതിലെ ഡബിൾ സ്ട്രാൻഡഡ് DNA ആണ് ജനറ്റിക് മെറ്റീരിയൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ബാക്കിയുള്ളതിലൊക്കെ RNA ആണ് ജനറ്റിക് മെറ്റീരിയൽ. Fourth question, penicillin blocks bacterial growth by inhibiting answer option: peptidoglycan breakdown, assembly of 70S ribosomes from its subunits, amino acylation of tRNAs, transpeptidation reaction. Correct answer is transpeptidation reaction. Penicillin ഒരു ആന്റിബയോട്ടിക് ആണ്. അലക്സാണ്ടർ ഫ്ലെമിംഗ് ആണ് പെൻസിലിനെ കണ്ടെത്തിയത്. ഈ ആന്റിബയോട്ടിക് ബാക്ടീരിയയിലെ സെൽ വാൾ സിന്തസിസിനെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ട്രാൻസ്പെപ്റ്റിഡേസ് എൻസൈം ആണ് സെൽ വാൾ സിന്തസിസിനെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Fifth question, which of the following lacks cellular machinery for protein biosynthesis? Answer option: obligate parasite, viruses, bacteria, carnivorous plants. Correct answer is viruses. Sixth question, lignin is a polymer of answer option: lignans, phenylpropanes, terpenoids, all of the above. Correct answer is phenylpropanes. Lignin present ആയിരിക്കുന്നത് പ്ലാന്റിന്റെ സെൽ വാളിലാണ്. Seventh question, the muscle fibers are answer options: perimysium, syncytial, sarcolemma, endomysium. Correct answer is syncytial. മസിൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സിന് സിൻസേഷ്യൽ സ്ട്രക്ചർ ആണ് പ്രസന്റ് ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Eighth question, regeneration of amputated limb of salamander is an example of answer option: epimorphosis, morphallaxis, hypertrophy, reparative regeneration. Correct answer is epimorphosis. Ninth question, Down syndrome is answer option: autosomal, sex-linked, viral, bacterial. Correct answer is autosomal. 10th question, the lac repressor answer option: DNA binding protein, induced by exposure of bacterial cell to lactose, uses the same promoter as a laxed gene, can form alternative stem loop structures. Correct answer is DNA binding protein. 11th question, first strand cDNA synthesis requires answer option: tDNA ligase, reverse transcriptase, Klinau enzyme, DNA polymerase. Correct answer is reverse transcriptase. cDNA എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി DNA ആണ്. RNA നിന്ന് cDNA ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ പറയുന്നതാണ് റിവേഴ്സ് ട്രാൻസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ. ഇതിനെ സഹായിക്കുന്ന എൻസൈം ആണ് റിവേഴ്സ് ട്രാൻസ്ക്രിപ്റ്റേസ് എന്നത്. 12th question, linoleic acid is not synthesized in animal because Answer option, it is toxic to the cells. It is not required by the cells. The necessary enzyme is absent. None of the above. Correct answer is the necessary enzyme is absent. Linoleic acid എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു essential fatty acid ആണ്. 13th question. Haploid plants can be obtained from. Answer option, anther culture, bud culture, leaf culture, root culture. Correct answer is anther culture. 14th question. Cellular transformation can result from which of the following? Answer option, mutation of cellular genes, loss of chromosome regions, virus infection, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. 15th question. Which of the following proteins is not involved in DNA repair? Answer option, primase, uracil DNA glycosylase, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase 1. Correct answer is uracil DNA glycosylase. 16th question. Cran's anatomy is seen in. Answer option, all monocots, monocot with the C4 pathway, monocot and dicot with the C4 pathway, legumes. Correct answer is monocot and dicot with the C4 pathway. 17th question. Convergent evolution is illustrated by. Answer option, starfish and cuttlefish, dogfish and whale, rat and dog, bacterium and protozoans. Correct answer is dogfish and whale. 18th question. Pernicious anemia is an autoimmune disease caused by autoantibodies. Answer option, against red blood cells, against intrinsic factor, against tissue collagen, against thyroid stimulating hormone receptor. Correct answer is against intrinsic factor. 19th question. The phenomenon in which an allele of one gene suppresses the activity of an allele of another gene is known as. Answer option, suppression, inactivation, epistasis, dominance. Correct answer is epistasis. 20th question. One of the following is not a component of the extracellular matrix. Answer option, proteoglycan, collagen, endoplasmic reticulum, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. 21st question. The drug colchicine affects tumor cells by. Answer option, destabilizing the mitotic spindle, inhibiting the uptake of cholesterol, preventing ribosome from synthesizing protein, destabilizing the plasma membrane. Correct answer is destabilizing the mitotic spindle. 22nd question. Anthesis is a phenomenon which refers to. Answer option, reception of pollen by stigma, formation of a pollen, development of anther, opening of flower bud. Correct answer is opening of flower bud. 23rd question. Viroids are. Answer option, small infective molecule, unencapsulated molecule, single-stranded RNA molecule, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. 24th question. Genes are packaged into a bacterial chromosome by. Answer option, histones, basic proteins, acidic proteins, actin. Correct answer is histones. 25th question. Amniocentesis is a process to. Answer option, determine any hereditary disease in the embryo, determine any disease in heart, disease in brain, all of these. Correct answer is determine any hereditary disease in the embryo. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.